How you doing? This is Brian here with Colton RV. And today we have a nice Keystone Springdale 34FK to show you on this wintry day. You can see it's got a double entry, a really large 18-foot light up awning, power awning. We'll have to crank this out. And it is a front kitchen model. Let me show you the inside. All right, we're inside the 34FK. And we'll start here with our sofa. This folds out to additional sleeping. Got storage above it. See some spacious cabinets up here. Over here we've got our theater seating. Recliner, nice and plush. Got your blackout shades behind you. On all the windows we've got blackout shades. Over here, instead of a dinette, we do have a table that you can move around. More of a traditional type of kitchen table for you. We move over here to a solid counter surface. More of a residential type surface with your sprayer for your sink, your flexible sink there. We've got storage above, lots of storage above. Got storage below, got a couple drawers down here, storage over here. You've got a 3-burner range, complete with stove. Got yourself a microwave. More storage, an exhaust fan and hood for you. Good size fridge. And they've got a nice size freezer too. And over here, we're sitting in those theater seats. We've got a nice big 50-inch screen HD TV for you. We've got a nice fireplace down there to take the edge off. In case it's a little bit of a chilly night, don't want to crank the heater. You can just put this on. We've got some more storage up here above the TV. And a little surprise here, we have a hidden pantry with a lot of storage back here. Definitely fit all the kitchen goodies you want back here. All right, if you walk this way, we'll go to the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom with a lot of storage. Storage underneath the sink. A foot flush porcelain toilet. Actual porcelain. So you don't have any stains on that. We've got yourself a nice roomy shower with a spray wand to take a shower. More storage here with some shelving. As well as storage below. And right past the bathroom, we have the bedroom. Have yourself a nice, large walk-around bed. You've got storage above it, storage pockets on each side. A nice size full wardrobe for you with a full bar. Instead of a half wardrobe, you can actually hang long clothing in here. Won't be a problem. And here we have a closet that is all prepped for washer-dryer hookups. So pretty much this 34FK can be your home away from home. Thanks for watching our walkthrough of the 34FK Springdale. My name is Brian, and if you're interested in this trailer, any other trailers we have on the lot, you can reach me at 716-694-0188, extension 470.